Hi, my name's Kirk Morange. I'm the athletic director here at Cabrini High School, and I'm just started my 6th year at Cabrini. I wanted to tell y'all about our athletic programs, and we have 12 varsity programs here at Cabrini High School. 2 full-year programs in our Cabrini cheerleading and our Cabrini Eclipse dance team. We have 3 fall sports, which include volleyball, swimming, and cross country. We have 2 winter sports, which include basketball and soccer. We have several sports that take place in the spring, beginning with bowling, golf, softball, and track and field. And for the first time ever, we added the sport of gymnastics. We have 1 student athlete who's a gymnast, and she will be competing for the first time ever for Cabrini this spring. Last school year, we had 15 student athletes, seniors, that earned all academic scholar athlete honors. And also out of last year's senior class, we had 7 student athletes that are continuing their athletic careers at the collegiate level. You know, one of the things about Cabrini is that we're small enough where we have students that participate in 2, 3, sometimes 4 varsity sports throughout the year. So here at Cabrini, the opportunities are endless. And we always say, compete with character. That's Cabrini.